Yes, dear student, all of you come and join the class fast. Yes? Okay. So we have to start today again our exercise problems on the chapter integer. So first exercise 1.1 already we have solved first 9 questions in our last class. So if you are doubt on monkey problem, yes, Swasti Vastra, are you here? It is your first doubt. Swasti, are you here? Yes, say on your video. On your video, answer like this. Yes, I am here, madam. Yes, okay. So what's your monkey problem here? There is a one monkey. It is sitting on the bank of a well. Okay. So that well has some steps. Totally in that well, so many steps are there, but the water level at the 9th step. The water level at the 9th step, and on the topmost step, your monkey is sitting here. Yes, your monkey is sitting on the topmost step. Yes, is it your monkey? Okay, it is sitting here on the topmost step. So there are how many steps at the water level? 9 steps. This is the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 steps. At the 9th step there is a water. Yes, at the 9th step there is a water. Yes, I hope all of you saw the pond or well. Yes, so this is one of the well. In the bank of this one, there is a monkey here. It is sitting on the topmost step. Yes, and the water at the level of 9th step. So what's our first question? The first question, what he asked? He jumps, means that monkey jumps. He jumps 3 steps down and 1 step back. Monkey, always it is monkey, simply it is wasting its time. 3 step down, 2 step back, 3 step down, 2 step back in the sense, again it is moving upside, 2 step, again it is moving upside. Yes, clear? So within how many steps that monkey reaches to the water level, means 9th step. It is your question. All of you got clear what is the question? If that monkey jumps 3 steps down and 2 steps up, means back, in how many jumps it reaches to the water level? Swasti, is it your question? Vastra? Yes, okay. Now we have to see that practically. Check that. 3 steps down. 1, 2, 3. In our first jump, it comes here, but again it moves back 2 steps, means 2 steps, again it moves back. Here first jump, it is second jump. In 2 jumps, it comes to this step. Clear? Then again it is here in second step. So 3 steps it comes down. 1, 2, 3. It is a third jump. Yes, it is a third jump. Again 3 steps down, 2 steps back. Means again it moves back 2 steps. Fourth jump. Next it is here now. Again it comes down 3 steps. 1, 2, 3. So it is a fifth jump. Next 2 steps back. Sixth jump. Then 3 steps down. Seventh jump. Then 2 steps back. 8th jump. Then 3 steps down. Now it is a 9th jump. Again 2 steps back. It is a 10th jump. Now 3 steps down. 1, 2, 3. Now it reaches to the water level. Yes? Is it reaches to the water level now? Yes. How many jumps it turns? Okay. First, second, back, third down, fourth back, fifth down, sixth back, seventh down, eighth back, ninth down, 10th back, finally 11th step. At the 11th jump, it reaches to its water level step, that is a 9th step. Clear? In how many jumps? In 11 jumps, monkey reaches to water level. Yes, monkey reaches to the water level. It is your first question. Yes, clear? So here only one more question. That is the second question. What it is? If it jumps, now it is at the water level step, means the 9th step. Yes. If it moves 4 steps up and 2 steps back, 4 up, 2 back, 4 up, 2 back, within how many jumps it comes to the, it's the topmost step. Means here also number of the steps are same. ಈಗ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಅಂತ ಬಂದ್ರಿ ಇನ್ನು ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದೇನೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೈತಿ ಮ್ಯಾಗ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಏನೇನು ಜಂಪ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೈತಿ 4 ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಹತ್ತದ 2 ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ 4 ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಅಪ್ 2 ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ yes same way it's moving up down then finally it reaches to the topmost step. Okay, how many steps are there here? There are 9 steps. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Now 9th step at the water level. Yes, so now the monkey is sitting on the 9th step. Yes, monkey is sitting on the 9th step. Yes, it moves how many steps up? 4 steps upside, then move back 2 steps. So in the first jump 4 steps up, 1 2 3. From here 1 2 3 4. In a 1 step it comes here, first jump. Then it moves back 2 steps. Comes here, it is the second jump. Now the monkey is at this level. Then again it moves 4 steps. 1 2 3 4. The monkey comes here. Then again 2 steps back. It is the third jump. 2 steps back. It is the fourth jump. Now the monkey is in this level. Next 1 2 3 4. Within 5th jump, it reaches to the topmost level. Means topmost step. Yes, it reaches topmost step within how many jumps? 5 jumps. What is that rotation we have given here? 4 step up, 2 step back. 4 step up, 2 step back. Clear? So within, in how many jumps? In 5 jumps. In 5 jumps, monkey reaches to the water level. Monkey reaches to not the water level, reaches to topmost step. Already it is in the water level, so finally it reaches to topmost step. I hope everybody got this. Yes, you can just practically do it. 3 step down, 4 step, 2 step back. Same here also 4 step up, 2 step back. So draw the steps, then you can do that practically. Very easiest question. Swasti, I got clear now. Swasti. Swasti. So this is the second answer. This is the answer for the second question. Yes. So it comes 4 step up, 2 step back, again 4 step up, 2 step back, again 4 step up. Within 5 jumps, monkey reaches to the topmost step. Okay? Is it clear to everybody? Yes? Okay. Now, anybody have doubt on this chapter? Means on this first exercise? So miss, here only one more question, third question. Yes, let us, we have to solve that third also. Yes, see here. What is the third question here? If the number of steps moved down is represented by the negative integer and the number of steps moved up by positive integer, represent his moves in part 1 as well as part 2 by completing the following fill in the blank he has given. Okay. Suppose if you consider the movement towards the upside as a positive positive integer, and the moment towards the positive integer and the moment towards the downside it is represented by negative integer, then you have to represent the situation first as well as the second by using the integers. Means he has given some relations here, you have to fill that. Clear? Okay, just see here. minus 3 means 3 steps down, plus 2, minus 3 plus 2, minus 3 plus 2, like that. How many times minus 3? How many times it comes down? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times it comes down. Means minus 3 how many times we have to take? 5 times. Then plus 2 how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times plus 2. Okay. So just we have to represent this condition by using the integers. Okay. Yes. Monkey moves 5 steps. Yes. Minus 3 plus 2, minus 3 plus 2, like that you have to do. See here. Minus 3 plus 2, minus 3 plus 2, minus 3 plus 2, minus 3 plus 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 3 plus 2, 5 times upside movement, then 6 times downside movement, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just observe here, minus 3 plus 2 is what? Minus 1. Minus 3 plus 2 is what? Minus 1. Minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. Then it is a minus 3 totally. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. So total your answer is what? Minus 8. How madam? How many steps it comes down? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. Totally 11 jumps are there. 6 jumps it moves downside. Downside we are representing by the negative integer. Then upside movement we are representing by the positive integer. 3 step down means minus 3. 2 step up means plus 2. Then third jump minus 3. Fourth jump plus 2. Minus 3. Fifth jump. Sixth jump plus 2. Minus 3. Then plus 2. Upside movement we have to consider as a positive integer, and downside movement we will consider as a negative integer. So total here in these two steps, minus 3 plus 2, minus 1 remains. In these 2 steps, minus 3 plus 2, minus 1 remains. Then here minus 3 plus 2, minus 1 remains. Then here minus 3 plus 2, minus 1 remains. Then finally here minus 3 plus 2, minus 1 remains. Then this minus 3 is as it is. How many minus 1s here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Means minus 5. Minus 5 minus 3 together, its answer is minus 3. Okay. So this is the third question. We are representing the situation 1 as well as condition 1 as well as condition 2 by using the integer. Then this is the condition 1. Then the condition 2. What he has given? 4 step up, 2 step back. 4 step up, 2 step back. Means just observe here. Just you have to observe here in this second diagram. 4 step up means up we are considering as what? Positive integer plus 4. Then here also plus 4, plus 4. Then down minus 2, minus 2. So out of 5 jumps, 4 step up, 2 step down. Means out of 5 jumps, upside how many are there? 3. Downside how many are there? 2. So second condition we have to represent by using the integer means plus 4, minus 2. Next plus 4, next minus 2, next plus 4. Yes. So here plus 4 minus 2 plus 4 minus 2 plus 4. Here see here, plus 4 minus 2, plus 4 minus 2, then again plus 4 minus 2, then finally plus 4 minus 2, plus 4 minus 2, plus 4. 4 minus 2, 2, 4 minus 2, 2, plus 4, totally within. Here also it covers 8 steps, here also it covers 8 steps. Minus 8 representing here that monkey moving towards the down. Then plus 8 represents here monkey moving towards the upside. Clear? All of you got clear this monkey problem? Yes, say yes. Show me your thumb like this way. Show me how many of you got clear. Show me. Yes, we got clear, miss. Please, all of you on your video. Good. Good. Sahana. Sahana Kulkar. Sahana Ujreddy. Anushka. Rakshita. Where are you all? Okay. Okay. Anushka. Rakshita. Bhuvan. Okay, Bhuvan. Purvi. Nishan. Okay. Okay. Shraddha. Anvika. Yes, Gauri, Apeksha together again today also. Okay. Yadnya. Yes, okay. Vijay. Swasti, have you got clear? Yes, okay. Good. Are you happy now? Monkey problem clear? Okay. Dear student, yesterday I have given to you one of the homework, that is 1.2 exercise you have to solve. Have you solved? 1.2 exercise have you solved? How many of you solved? Say like this way. Moksha, have you solved? Yes, good Moksha. Swasti did not solve. Vijay, Sanchita, okay sir. Okay, who is this one? Chetan, good boy. Okay, Sanchita, you also solved. 1.3 exercise here. Now we will see. So 1.2 yesterday I have given the homework. 1.3. It is totally based on the product of the integers, means multiplication of the integers. I hope everyone you got the textbook. Please you have to take your textbook and open it. The exercise 1.3, we will solve those problems from the exercise 1.3. Yes, yesterday means you have given that as a homework. If you will get the time, you can solve that and told. Yes, okay, I have told that. Apart from 1.3, I make you 1.4 today as a homework. Ready? So today itself, within Monday, we have to complete this integer chapter. Then we will enter to the next chapter, fractions and decimal. So here the exercise 1.3. Exercise 1.3, the page number 21. I hope everyone you got that page number 21. So see here page number 21. So here exercise 1.3. It is totally based on the product of the means multiplication of the integer. It's totally based on the multiplication of the integer. Shall I share the PDF of the textbook, or all of you have the textbook? Please tell me. If you have the textbook, directly I will take the problems, or else if you want, I will share the PDF of the textbook. Who don't have the textbook now? Please on your video and show me. I don't have the textbook, madam. Just like your thumb downside. Show me how many of you don't have the textbook. Nobody is not making on your video. So I thought everyone you have the textbook. All of you open your textbook, page number 21. Page number 21. Yes? Page number 21. Find each of the following products. So first question, find each of the following products. It is totally based on the multiplication of the integers. So what is the first question? Very easiest one. First one, 3 into minus 1. 3 into minus 1, 8. Next beat one, minus 1 into 225. Very easy, miss. Then next one, sec1 minus 2 into minus 30. 21 into minus 30. How many of you are ready to solve this? Miss, we all are ready to solve this one. See here. First one. See here, first one. Here 3 is a positive integer, 1 is a negative integer. So already you know the rules of multiplication rules. What? Plus into plus. Plus into minus, minus into plus, minus, then minus into minus, plus. Here, plus into minus. What's your answer in terms of negative integer? Then 3 into 1. 3 ones are how much? 3 ones are 1, huh? No, miss. 3 ones are 3. Okay, what's the product of plus 3 and minus 1? Minus 3. Same way here. See here. Minus 1 into plus 225. Means minus into plus. Minus into plus is what? Minus. So here minus into plus is minus. 1 into 225 means 1 225 is up. 225 itself. So your answer minus 225. Clear? So next one. Minus 21 into minus 30. Very interesting. See here, minus into minus. Minus into minus. Plus. So your answer in terms of positive integer. What means here 21 into 30. How can we do? Very easiest table, 21 table. 21 into 0. 0. 21 threes are. Please, how many of you are ready? 21 threes are. Very. Yes, good. 21 threes are 63. So your product is what? Plus 630. Yes. So take these three. Then I will give one by one here. You have to solve and show me all the answers. I will give one by one. Okay. I hope you have written this one. I will give now. C1 over. Then D1. What is the D question? D1. D minus 316 into 1. Very easiest question. Minus 316 into minus 1 or plus 1. Minus 1. So next, each one minus 15 into minus 15 into 0 into minus 18. Yesterday only we have done Rohan multiply by 0. Rohan or 0? 0 itself. Yes? Okay, apply that and solve this one. So next, F1. So solve fast and show me your answer. One by one, show me your answer fast. F1 minus 12 minus 11 plus 10. Minus 12 into minus 11 into plus 10. Then cheat 1. 9 into minus 3 into minus 6. 9 into minus 3 into minus 6. 9 into minus 3 into minus 6. So dear students, solve fast. Tell me your answer. Do it fast. First one, minus 316 into minus 1. How many of you are ready? Show me your answer. Yes, please show me your answer fast. Yes, good. Moksha. Deeth one, madam, show me properly. Deeth one, I am not getting the answer. Moksha. Moksha, hold your camera properly. Moksha, D1, 316, correct. E1, F1, G1, please solve fast. Okay, Moksha, remaining you have to solve fast. Again, anybody ready here? Please, all of you on your video and show me your answer fast. Vishwanath. Yes, one is showing here. Who is this one? Sanchita, on your video. Yes, solve fast. Sejal, Soham Kunde, Purvi Gani, Nishant, Nagapradnya, where are you? Ayush Angdi, Nagapradnya, okay, D1, it is correct. Then, remaining. Okay, Vijay, hold your camera properly, okay. I am not getting clearly, Vijay. Hold it properly, sir. Still I am not getting clearly, Vijay. No. Okay, first one plus. Sir. Here E1 you did wrong. What I am telling, Rohan multiply by 0 is 0 itself, not a Rohan. If any number multiply by 0, your answer should be must and should 0 itself. You have done that wrong. E1, Vijay, check your answer, E1. Then F1, okay, correct. Next, again anybody is ready here? Vijay, check your answer. E1 you have done wrong. Again, okay, who is this one? Anushka, hold your notebook properly. Okay, Anushka. Anushka, you also done. Okay, it is correct. Yes, good. Okay, again, how many of you have solved? Again, anybody is ready here? Okay, check your answer. So many of you have done that answer. Just see here, minus into minus, plus 360 into 1, 360. Just each one, all of you, without observing anything. If there is a 0 in here, any one of the product, and it is a 0 here, means this product always 0 itself. Why? 0 multiplied by any number, you are getting 0 itself. Any number multiplied by 0, you are getting the product as what? 0 itself. Directly you have to write G. Next, minus into minus, plus into plus itself. 12 11 ja, we don't know. We can multiply. Okay, 12 1 ja, 12, 1 carry. 12 1 ja, 12 plus 1. 12 1 ja, 12, 12 plus 1, 13 into 10. Into 10. Okay. Just see here, plus into plus 132 into 10, how much you are getting? 1320. So, Anushka, check your answer. Anushka, Gauda. So, you have to check your F answer. Next one. Plus into minus, minus into minus, plus. Yesterday I have given one hint to you. While doing the multiplication, if the negative numbers occurs in even number of time, your product always should be in terms of positive. Okay, here 2 times the negative number occurs means your product is in terms of positive. Now 9 into 3 6 are 18. Then plus into plus itself. 9 8 are how much? 72. 7 carry. 9 1 ja 9. 9 plus 7. 9 1 ja 9. 9 plus 7. How much? 16. 9 plus 7. 16. So your answer is plus 162. Plus 162. I hope everybody you got that answer. Is it clear? Is it clear to everybody? Yes? Okay. So next one here, very difficult question. In this one, no one difficult question, everything it is easy. So shall we go for the second main? Verify the following. Verify the following. 18 into 7 plus of minus 3 is equal to 18 into 7 plus 18 into minus 3. Which property it is? Yes, very good. It's a distributive property. Yes? Okay, second main. Here the second main, by using the distributive property we have to verify that A into the bracket B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. I hope you can do this one. Yes, student? Can you solve this one? Now it is the time to end of your class. You have the next period now. So with this one I will conclude today's class. Yes? So is there any doubt?